Hello everybody, just today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the rear sway bar bushing on 2011 Lexus ES350. Yeah, the customer he changed the rear strut like a few months ago, but the car still making noise when it hit the park hole on it. So on this point is a sway bar bushing completely loose it. So it's bushing on there. So okay, let me show you guys how to solve the problem. Okay guys, so here the bushing, so let's get it started guys. So it's all we needed is number 12mm, but before we do it, I'm gonna bring some we're gonna hit it up with the torch a little bit. Okay, it's very important. We don't want the bolt strip it or snap it. Let me maybe I can bring the cameras up though. You can see a little bit clearly what I'm doing. Let me try to remove my cameras up here. Oh, a little bit hard. I have to see it. Still, I don't have any stand for it, so I just put it here the way it is. But you know what I'm talking about, the bushing in here is, you know, most customer or most viewer, they already know it. Some about it. So try to use number 12mm, guys. So let me 12mm, and it's very simple. Just plug and play it for 12mm. It's boring. Just remove it and install it, and you go to go this one. So no more noise. You know, like some customer, they change the strut, change everything, but they don't think about the sway bar link and sway bar bushing making noise. Watch out. I don't see my father turn on. Yeah, one side's out right now. Just remove the cap, the brackets out, and we can do install one side fine. It's pushing it completely junk. Let me bring the new one. It's a part number. I forgot to show you the part number. On the part number is a 48818-33101 is a part number for the bushing. Let me bring the new one. See the comparable for the new one and the old one. It's much bigger. Okay, let me install it. Just open it and install it, plug and play. Very simple, just put a cap back on. Boom. And on the bottom here, I'm gonna put some grease. It's easy. I don't wanna the bolt strip it. Just apply a little bit grease on and move it on. Okay, and one more. Just apply some grease. Okay, I got one side done. Let me move to the other side for our driver side. Can you see a little bit clearly? It seems like it blocking here up there. Okay, let me do it. We're gonna do the same procedure, just use the torch, hit it. And remove the bolts. So, and one more. After, just remove the bushings out. Okay, just pull it out. Here's our old bushing. Just put on the side and bring the new one on it. It's very simple job, you know, just plug and play it. It's nothing special. But don't change it. But you know, that's the point. You change the bushing, you're gonna stay with the noise, you know, clicking noise all the time. Small job, but bother you a lot. Just start it. And I'm gonna apply some grease to the bolt. And it's and boom. It's all set. Okay, guys, all set to go for remove and replace. No, remove and install the rear sway bar bushing on 2011 ES350. So thank you guys for watching my video. Any question, just let me know, and thank you.